Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome to the 457th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today we're going to do a Q&A about myself. Thank you everyone for all the lovely questions. I can't wait to answer each and every one of them. So kick back, grab you some water, and enjoy the Q&A. Here we go. Oh man, that's a great question. But I would choose cheesecake. Cheesecake is my favorite dessert of all time. Strawberry cheesecake. Jambalaya, because it's all in one pot meal. You got your meat, your vegetables, and your rice. Crepes, spaghetti, and meat sauce. That was my very first dish I ever made, and it was with my grandmother. I love all the colors, the sprinkles, and decorations. Cooking takes me way back to my childhood when I was 5 years old. Used to go to my grandmother's house every Tuesday, and when I would walk into the door, she'd be in the kitchen, and I used to go and watch her cook. And then one day, I was in the kitchen with her, we was cooking together. There's nothing like being in the kitchen with your grandmother. I would say beef tips. Hard-boiled eggs are very easy. All you do is just roll them on the counter and the shell will easily come off, or you can drizzle them like a basketball and peeling will come out. I did a video on making the perfect hard-boiled eggs. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. I love to travel, visit different places, and I love fashion. Tuna fish, beets, and curry powder. Yes, I have an older brother, and he really don't cook that much. Yes, I love Harsh chicken. It is the bomb.com delicious. When I was growing up, I used to watch the Food Network all the time, and I said I would love to have my own cooking show one day. My favorite video, I would say my tea cake recipe, and my least, my eggnog cookies with buttercream frosting. Yes, I tried Splenda and Equal. Yes, I have made some vegan maple butter whole wheat rolls, jambalaya, cherry 7-Up, and strawberry cheesecake. Strawberries. I am single. No, I don't. Yes, I have quite a few. Have great content, relax, be yourself, take your time, and have fun in the kitchen. And share your videos with your family, friends, and on social media. Oh man, I have quite a few, but I'm gonna say sweet potato pie. Every year for Mother's Day, we used to take my mom, aunt, and grandmother to the Kima Boardwalk outside of Houston. We used to ride the train and have dinner and have a great time. Madeira is doing wonderful. I'll tell her y'all say hello. Jambalaya. I'm so grateful that God let me live to see another day. Grateful for my job, for my family. I love people so much and enjoying life. A nice hot plate of chicken fried steak with gravy and mashed potatoes and buttermilk biscuits. meeting new people and greeting them, and making everybody feel right at home when they come to my channel. Give them some Southern hospitality. Wow, my friends, that was a fun Q&A. Thank you again for all the questions. I hope y'all enjoyed them. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Much love.